Most people learn English the wrong way. And because they don't learn English, they quit. They throw in the towel. They quit. Today, I am going to tell you the best way to learn English. The majority of people, almost everyone that wants to learn English, uses the wrong method. They use books to study. They use books to study. They say, to be, the verb to be. I am. You are. No. They also use lists of vocabulary. Chef, a person who cooks. Oh, okay. No. The books, they don't work. And you know what? We're done with the books. No more books. Today, we are talking about comprehensible input. What is comprehensible input? Comprehensible input is language where you don't understand every single word that a person is saying, but you understand the meaning. You understand the message that they are saying to you. That makes it comprehensible. It means you can understand it, even though you don't understand every single word. That's okay. Comprehensible input can be videos like this on YouTube. When you get to a higher level, it can be TV shows like Friends. It can be movies. Again, a higher level. And a great way is by listening to podcasts. Reading is also comprehensible input. Talking to people is comprehensible input. Anything where you can understand the message is input. The key, the most important thing with comprehensible input is that you understand the meaning. Whether it's a story or a joke, if you understand the meaning, you're learning. It's not about memorizing. It's not hearing me say, he was on a boat or on a trampoline and seeing the picture of the trampoline, pausing the video and saying, trampoline, trampoline, trampoline. No, that's not comprehensible input. That's memorizing. And that's not what we're here to do. This channel is dedicated to teach you English like you learned your first language when you were a baby. This channel is about teaching you without you having to think about the language. Think of when you were a baby. Remember? No. But you learned your native language. Did you study in a book? Not when you were 1, 2, 3, 4 years old. And yet, you were able to speak the language. That's because you learned through comprehensible input. You heard your parents speak and people around you speak. And slowly your brain understood the messages and connected it to the language. Well, you can do that again in another language by using this method. The most natural way to learn a language, and you know you can do it. Because you already did it before. Your brain understands the patterns of the language little by little, like when you were a baby. And then when it's time to speak, it happens naturally. Your brain understands the sentence structure, what word goes where, without you studying it. And that is what this channel is for. My goal is to create a lot of videos for you to learn from zero, from not understanding much English, very little English to begin with. But as you listen and watch, little by little, you're learning the language without realizing it. This is why I have different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So you can decide which level is right for you. How difficult should it be? Well, if you watch a video and you understand zero, nothing, it's too hard. The right level is where you understand the meaning, the message, but not every single word. If it is too easy, you understand everything, that's okay too. Your brain is understanding the patterns. You're learning even though you know every word. It's okay to watch beginner videos even though they're easy. But you need to be interested in the video. You need to care. You need to want to watch. If it's boring, don't watch it. If you don't like the subject, for example, if I talk about fashion and you don't care about fashion, don't watch that video. My goal is to make a lot of videos on a lot of topics so you can watch things you like. Now, the result of using comprehensible input when you reach enough hours, which should be around to reach a high, very, very high level in English, around 1,500 hours, you will be able to talk to people in an English-speaking country, in any English-speaking country, with ease, relaxed. You can talk about politics or sports or any topic. You can work in the country, just like me in Spain. You can date, get a girlfriend or a boyfriend, make friends. You can live your life 100% in the language. Also, you can watch any TV show, any movie. You can enjoy any media in the language. I know it sounds like a lot, but remember, this is 1,500 hours of watching videos, TV shows, movies, listening to podcasts and audiobooks, things that are fun. You should enjoy the process and trust the process. Little by little, you are going to see progress. You're going to watch videos that are more advanced, and soon watch native content. But you just need to relax. When you watch my videos, Do not try to memorize the words I'm saying or ask, why did he say that? Why did he use that word? No. The channel is called English on Autopilot because your brain should be on autopilot. You don't need to drive the car. No. Let your brain absorb the language naturally. You have one job. Understand the meaning. Actually, two jobs. The second job is to enjoy. The videos and anything that you are consuming. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Do not worry about that grammar book. You can put it away. You can donate it. Give it away. You don't need it here. All right, everyone. Please subscribe to keep getting more input, and there will be more videos coming out all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye.